Hi, I'm Dave and this is DG Overlanding. Victoria Bay is just outside of George. They have private stands, in other words stands with private ablutions, stands with communal ablutions, there's PowerPoints. Right, this is the office to Victoria Bay Caravan Park. As you're coming down the hill, it's on the left hand side. Here we are, this little house here, Victoria Bay Caravan Park office. Office hours. And then on the right hand side there, going up the hill, is the entrance to the caravan park, private ablutions. On the left is the communal ablutions. When you check in, they'll give you a code for the gate. And these are the private ablution stands. Okay, so we're camping on a private ablution stand. Each one has a wash-up scullery for dishes. On this side there's a 3-pin normal house point for your power. There's 2 of them there, and there's a nice washing line that can go up for your washing, and there's a tap outside here. Each of the sites are numbered. So this is 27, we're on 25, which is just the other side here. And this is the view from the campsite. Lovely view from the campsite. Just across the bay there is the Knysna. So around the corner here there's Cayman's River, the wilderness, and this is the rest of the caravan park. It's really good. There is a braai. Well, it's not a braai, it's a fire pit. You have to bring your own grid if you want a braai. Here we are, we've been having fire in the evenings. There's a rubbish bin. And inside here is the shower and a toilet. Wash hand basin. Toilet on the left. Shower on the right. It's very small, compact, but the water's nice and hot. Normal electric geyser. And the view from the ablution out onto the ocean. Really good. Victoria Bay Caravan Park. Having a fire and the sunset. This is just a little bit of a parking and goes down to a restaurant, lovely restaurant. It's a surfing competition, that's why it's so busy. So that's going to a restaurant, the beach, and up on the left hand side is the communal ablutions. Right, DG Overlanding, Victoria Bay Caravan Park in the Western Cape, just outside of George. Lovely place, nice view of the sea, relaxing, peaceful, stunning. Please subscribe to our channel, DG Overlanding. Thank you. Hi, you're watching DG Overlanding and I'm Dave. Porcupine Rest Camp. It's about 40 k's outside Landsberg. So here we are, Porcupine Rest Camp. Right, so this is a dirt road. It's the R323, and it's quite an amazing road. It's smooth. It's better than some of our tar roads, and it's going in the distance there down to Landsberg. So Porcupine Rest Camp. We're in campsite 3. They only have 3 sites. Ours is called River Camp. It's near the river. So there's no power. You have to have solar. It's totally off-grid. There's water. The water is potable, but the hot water is by a donkey. There's lots of shade around, but there's enough space for your solar panel to charge. So here we have the donkey. You have to light your own donkey, but they do provide the wood. Not the fire lighters, but the wood is provided. On this side is the toilet. The toilet has a little roof, so if there's a bit of rain, you won't get wet while sitting down on the toilet. Septic tank. And this side is the shower and the wash basin. Very nice shower. Right, stuck there in the corner is the shower. Hot and cold water. So you have to light the donkey, but you have to light it at least 45 minutes or so before you want to have the shower. Here is the hand basin. Place to put your soap. There's a mirror. And then on the other side is the bench. And a rubbish bin. And then we just put our table in here. So there's our Trailblazer and our trailer all set up. There is wood here that you can buy, 40 Rand a bag. It's quite a big bag of wood. There's a dust bin. And over here is the wash-up facility. Hot water also when you boil or when you light the donkey. Nice basin and a little shelf. Fire bucket in case you need it. If you light a fire and the ash goes in the bush, it's very dry. There's a braai place with a grid. And then there's a pathway down to the river. And there's the little stream. Right, there's the campsite through there. Porcupine Rest Camp outside Lanesburg. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our other blogs of our journeys. Thank you very much. Bye.